Here I have POCO F4, and today I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes on this device. So firstly, you have to open camera, then you have to enable a feature in settings, go to the smart suggestions and enable scan QR codes here. Like, you have this feature enabled by default, but in case if you accidentally turned it off, you just enable it like this. And now let's scan some QR code, for example this one. So you just open camera, and as you can see, when your camera spots a QR code, this icon here appears. You just tap on it and it shows you the page which is being encoded to this QR code, so you can just go to the website and check it out. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.